tiny ghost. Big eyes, wild, staring at a blank white wall, like it just spoke, then sprinting at an empty box. Demolish mode. You're just chaos in a fur coat, tiny tyrant of the house. One paw on my keyboard, one hair in my mouth. You're ridiculous, you're perfect, you destroy and then you purr. Little gremlin, little goblin, how did I get owned by fur? Perch patrol on the window ledge all day. Tail twitch radar, bird TV on display. You chirp at pigeons like you wanna go, then nap mid-sentence, face first in your bowl. We're just chaos in a fur coat, tiny tyrant of the house. One paw on my keyboard, one hair in my mouth. You're ridiculous, you're perfect, you destroy and then you purr. Little gremlin, little goblin, how did I get owned by fur? You sit on my laptop when I'm on a deadline. Send help, you groom your whiskers right up in my eyeline, bathing on my face like this spot's mine. Meow at the doorway, then walk away each time just to hear me ask, what now? Why? It's just chaos in a fur coat, tiny tyrant of the house. One paw on my keyboard, one hair in my mouth. You're ridiculous, you're perfect, you destroy and then you purr. Little gremlin, little goblin, how did I get owned by?
Alarm, but it's not my phone. It's your whiskers in my eyeballs and your tail on my nose. Parked on my laptop, sending nonsense to my boss. Stretching like a tiny line right across the keys like a boss. You tiny furry menace with your big round roomy eyes, chasing ghosts across the hallway, then staring at the skies. You tiny furry menace on the bed, the floor, my chair, but I laugh until I'm crying, 'cause I like you ruling here.
Perched in the window, staring hard at every bird, chattering your teeth like you're muttering bad words. Diving into boxes, paper bags, and old shoes, waiting for the perfect moment just to jump and make me loose.
Mewing at the doorway like the world might end today. Then you sniff the open hallway, turn around and walk away. Bathing on my pillow, tail flicking my face.
Somehow I'm the guest now, living in your place.
You tiny furry menace with your big round roomy eyes, chasing ghosts across the hallway, then staring at the skies. You tiny furry menace on the bed, the floor, my chair, but I laugh until I'm crying, 'cause I like you ruling here.
On the hallway tiles, zoomies like a tiny ghost. Big eyes, wild, staring at a blank white wall, like it just spoke, then sprinting at an empty box. Demolish mode. You're just chaos in a fur coat, tiny tyrant of the house. One paw on my keyboard, one hair in Perch, patrol on the window ledge all day. Tail twitch radar, bird TV on display. You chirp at pigeons like you wanna go.